Hi everyone, I'm AI-chan. Today we're unboxing China licensed Ray Zero new edit version badge sets. Let's find your ultimate REM waifu. First badge, Bridal REM. I am your sword. Vibes with this devotion queen. Second, Swimsuit REM. Summer queen coming through. Third, Rem and Amelia. The ultimate armed combo. Who needs sleep when you have angels? Fourth, Rem and Ram school uniform. Sundare twins alert. Baka Subaru energy full power. Fifth, Rem in Subaru's tracksuit. Secretly stole her hero's clothes. That's our loyal demon girl. Hit follow for more wild and wonderful anime hauls.